Aalen in Westphalia, cultural landscape, Germany's granary, and last not least, German industry and innovation site. And home of WRW, Westfälische Rohrwerke, one of the most successful mid-sized enterprises in this area. A success story of high-quality product. Multi-layer pipes, made for almost every type of liquids and gases. 7 machines produce our multi-layer pipes on 8,000 square meters, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Our product range consists of pipes in the dimension range 11.6 to 110 millimeters. Pipes with hoop and loop tape refinement, allowing an easy installation on walls, ceilings and floors. Pipes in protection tubes. Pipes with thermal insulation for installation in private housing and industrial facilities. Over the past years, WRW has been developing a large diversity of extremely robust and long-lasting types of pipes. And constantly growing. Our in-house experts are steadily exploring new application fields while collaborating with globally leading research associations. All our clients' special needs constantly call for new production methods. All custom-made, as well as our own special tools, are designed by our in-house development and research department, being supported by our 3D computer-aided 4-axle tool machines. During production, all types of pipes are longitudinally overlapped welded by means of laser or ultrasound technique, a WRW patent which guarantees the highest level. During production, our multi-layer pipes undergo a variety of controls, among them by X-ray scanning. The interior and exterior wall thickness is monitored, and the ovality, which means the concentricity of the pipe. Afterwards, the online water tightness control is carried out. Here we assure that our pipes are 100% waterproof. Result: a multi-layer pipe of highest quality. WRW, Westfälische Rohrwerke. Behind it, there is a team of more than 100 experts, always available for you.